Oh, shit, dude. I is so biased. True.
We headed
Up on the port up.
Nice, nice. My thing started, by the way. Jesus.
Go
Go the way behind us,
Guess I'll be losing eyes here shortly.
A little bit. It's on its way. It's nearly gone. Hold on. I need to catch up with these guys.
597 a route.
Gonna be eastbound on the bridge, Elysian Fields Freeway.
Go come off the other side. Follow the. There you go.
It's gonna be two.
Follow the GPS.
Disregard. Eastbound Elysian Fields Freeway still. I mean, it's on the other end.
I wonder what. I bet Dante reported me to you. And then Spencer went to 42.
Oh, I'm
continuing eastbound Elysian Fields
Good shit, good shit,
Freeway.
good shit, Kevin.
That was an accident, but I'll take it. We take those. We take those.
Alright, keep going that way.
Go this way.
Continuing northbound Elysian Fields Freeway.
Kevin, I'm really proud of you, alright? You make me really happy.
Thank you, Richard.
Okay, they're on the opposite lanes of travel.
I'm
Pop
really
into
appreciating you a
U-turn.
lot, more than anything in this whole world, okay? I like your company, Kevin. Oh, no! Don't kill me!
Sorry.
I hate you, I hate you!
Dad, please.
Now it's still, yeah, you
Left.
got it.
Oh,
off and up the lanes. Off onto correct lanes. U-turn.
I
What's the
definitely
shape
hate
of
Stan.
Lanes
I'm
taking the
Brian,
off
dude.
slip down to Laura Popular. Back onto Topo Freeway westbound.
I do believe IA has created some good
Just on the
RP in the
freeway.
PD. I mean, don't get me wrong. I don't mind what IA is. I just feel like...
Block this
like
up.
I'm not fair.
415.
The 9?
Do you know if the Evil 10's the quick one or not?
I don't believe so unless it's tuned.
M4. I can't tell because I'm not putting the foot down. So I'm putting Elysian Fields.
I love how IA
Westbound over the
spice
bridge.
things up, man, though. I'll say that. You guys are right. IA does spice things up. I like that a lot, actually. I like the, you know, the Monka W aspect of it.
Very checking. Still heading west, up the lanes. Clarkson, if you can continue to keep up, I'm going to switch out shortly.
Alright, just wait for Bass to get here, and then you, you know?
10-4. I think he's right behind you.
Oh, okay, let's run
Yep,
it
right
then.
here, 6. Call it, call it.
If I'm going to pull off with the Stang in the next intersection.
You'll keep. Well, kind of take comms till.
Still westbound.
Oh my gosh. Is that...
Holy shit.
097 secondary taking the jump off the freeway.
They're in the
Oh
water.
my god.
Oh my god. Water. We're all in the water.
They're running west through the water off Chang Street. 2 suspects. LSPD, stop! I'm running after the heavy-set man who's running west toward Bay City Avenue.
I'm after the guy in green.
After that. I'm gonna go after this
LSPD,
guy then.
stop! This is the law. Freeze!
The rocks.
Alright, guys,
Sounds
be
taken
westbound toward Milton Avenue.
After that, Cashman, when you get over here, just get on the rocks, right?
He's
He's doing
smoking up.
cocaine.
He's smoking up.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
My guy smoked up. He's fast as fuck. I can't.
Not gonna be able to keep up with this guy.
Jump toward the Bundite boys heading down north. He's really fast. I'm losing eyes.
My guy's heading towards the civilian docks. He's at the docks.
I'm
Am I
gonna
pulling
left
out a
onto
boat?
Vespucci Beach right now toward dispensary.
He's under the billboard right now.
My guy's pulled out a boat. It's a brand speedboat heading towards you guys, heading westbound.
You take it out then. Ours is 9, I think.
10.
10.
Also, that's my guy.
I have set on my guy. He's gonna be on Dutch London Street here. He's taking a gun out. Gun in hand. He's going up towards near Maze Bank Arena Road. I don't know what that's called. He's falling.
God damn it, dude.
Oh shit, I lost visuals.
Yeah, I'm VCB on my guy.
I don't think I'm in
This kid-
trouble
Ah!
though, I'm Bass. I don't think I've done anything
This
stupid
guy's on
yet.
the road.
I don't think I've
He-
done
he
anything
went
to
back
get me
down towards
suspended,
South
chat.
London.
I don't think so, right? I don't think I have, actually. I'm trying to remember. Have I done something really dumb on Bass? I mean, I have. Maybe like.
I hear shots fired. Dutch London Street.
Shit in the local. Shit in the local.
Oh shit.
Show him, Clarkson. Just show him. Somebody. Flying southbound.
Got it.
That's when the shots fired.
It's gonna be Ocean King.
That boat's parked at the beach.
He broke out of cuffs. Oh my. You got this, Casterman?
He's running straight east.
Oh my god, they're so far away from me.
You have eyes on him still?
I from his run towards the highway.
Do we have any mobile units?
Negative.
Negative.
Is he running up the highway again?
Okay.
Who's that gun again? I'm shooting him in the back.
Yep.
The boat's pulled up. He's heading towards the civilian docks again. The guy in green.
They're gonna get a car for him, Casterman.
Stand by, Johnny. Step on the Empire Way.
I got a boat here. I'm flying Marine
Fast.
one on.
Okay.
Unless you want me to go grab a car. Be a while though.
Grab a car.
Copy. I got one on a boat right now. The Shank Street.
Okay. Where's your cadet?
I'm by on the boy area.
Yeah,
Fired?
more shots fired. Another me.
Pen.
Take another car.
Sgt Baas 1 en route. Westbound onto that boat.
Fast pick me up.
Yep. Get in the boat, Kevin.
Casterman, I have no idea where the fuck you're at.
We're gonna be on Elysian Field 2A.
Let's go.
Correction, the port.
That's where it went. Actually. I
End of
think
the
we went
western
left over
side.
here.
I
him
don't know.
running down
It came back.
Did it make a
I'm
left?
pretty sure you just dropped.
Yeah, he's at that car ramp where you sent it. That garage now with the garage underpass.
You went this way.
It was a brown speedboat.
I'm gonna get my car.
Fucking blimps, man. Swear to God.
Bro, turning with this
He's going
boat
up
is
the
so
green
bad.
bridge.
Sounds like a
He's
boat.
lock picking a car. He's in this green.
Tim from, trying to grab my car.
He's lock picking it.
R669 is in service, thank you.
Oh
He's
god!
in a great car, running out now.
Oh god!
He's
We're
under the
son
bridge, gonna take
duty!
the
Oh,
jump
we're
towards
so
Mermaid's Bank Arena. You know that jump near the dock?
Police! What the police?
He's going southeastbound right now. He crashed the car.
Look at these people doing
Running-
no respect though.
I didn't see anything, Kevin.
I didn't see it. That's national selection. What do you mean?
Negative.
Didn't listen.
Keep driving up there to your right. Yeah,
We
he's in a
warned him.
gray, like Prius looking car.
If we had lights on, they'd be on.
Are they?
I've got
Exactly.
a flip vehicle here. I got him.
Come on, Maze Bank Arena.
David Sabinier looks like.
Oh shit, Francis is on duty.
Run, southbound.
Oh shit, there's a Tintin over there.
I mean, Davis
We need to grab a car. Let's go grab a car.
Yeah.
After that, I see him. He's taking cocaine again,
What's
probably.
the closest PD?
Firm.
All up, Mark.
Try to tase him. Stay in your car.
Fine, Kevin, watch this, watch this.
He's coking up. Try to get off road
Kevin,
here.
you see this?
I'm gonna lose him here.
Oh,
Boom.
grind. 50-50, boom.
Right below you.
I'm trying to get around.
He's on this radio right now. He's running up towards the highway. He's on the highway now.
Central Line.
Yeah, I don't know where the nearest PD is. I'm trying to think.
You jumping down now?
Just off the boulevard. So you know the canals.
Yeah, we know
boulevard
about
back where we
apartments.
were running
yeah,
towards?
there.
Yep.
Oh my god. This. Do you see that blimp?
Dublin. No.
Oh,
getting- is
it
that-
is massive.
Why is turning with a boat so bad nowadays?
I have no
Get
idea.
out of your car and abandon it. 'Cause
Never
it's not
driven a
cool.
boat.
He's gonna outrun you. Just go back to your car. Go back to your car.
Everyone running north on Davis.
I think it's the closest we can get to a PD. This way.
He's running towards the warehouse now. Yard.
Yeah, so we can get through
Maybe
this.
catch
We can
him,
move the
honestly. Not in
canals.
the bushes, I see him. He's running now towards back towards the
Oh, we
junkyard
can't get in
entrance.
there.
Wait, that's the
Northbound.
Jamal Woods? What the
That's all
fuck
you,
is
Cashman.
Tony doing?
He's
Got it.
Alright.
Oh, nailed
Tony,
it.
Turner just thinks he sucks balls. Alright.
Still on the radio.
I know where he's at. I lost him.
Oh, he's in the canals.
Alright, let's get out here.
He's going down a section I can't go on.
We're grabbing a car. It's taking a long time. We do apologize for running back to this push PD.
Cashman just.
He's
You guys
coming
can buy
back.
him. Yeah.
He's coming back at the other end. Jumping.
Where is he?
Good news, I'm pregnant again.
Oh!
Picked up in get a
Bam,
Mustang.
can I have your
back.
baby?
BMW M3
The
or
tax
M4.
credit alone pays for the first 3 months of
Three.
Ma-
diapers.
Sorry.
ma'am,
it's,
can I buy your baby,
the-
please?
Yeah.
We're way bigger.
And I've narrowed the
This
dad
vehicle.
down to 2 guys.
Oh,
I don't know whether I forgot where it is. It's over
Straight
here.
ahead. Straight ahead, Kevin. Come on.
I'm going.
Don't see that
Back,
billboard.
Grab a Mustang.
Yep, I can grab it.
Oh! I think I got him.
Oh, I see the billboard now. I see it. That billboard's a lie. I have to pay for my guns.
Oh, we're almost there, Kevin. We're almost there.
Yeah.
And we can pull out the
Going
Mustang.
backwards now.
Say
Off the
20?
street. Southbound Alta Street. Northbound Alta Street. Driving
Copy.
backwards.
You want the Mustang on standby?
Yes. Going southbound Alta
go.
Street now towards Maze Bakery now. You
Hell
go,
yeah.
before you lose eyes, there's 2 of them in the car now. Right, westbound Davis.
Yeah, this way.
Going towards the airport.
in towards the other side, yeah.
Basketball Street ETA, man.
Roughly 1 mic up.
Okay. Going southbound towards the airport now.
Where are they exactly, Kevin?
They're on the little
We're on
roundabout
southbound
area.
New
in the-
Empire Way. Now we're going eastbound.
LSA.
Okay, gotcha. All right.
Corner in the roundabout here.
Yep. I'm gonna be on the other side.
Going in circles on New Empire Way. We're gonna be going off-road here near the subway station at the airport.
Okay, very close.
Is there any way out over there?
We're gonna be in
This,
in that
freeway?
parking lot now, parallel
see him, I
Empire
see him.
Way.
In the
Right
parking lot behind-
eastbound, Greenwich Park. Disregard still Greenwich Parkway. Popping a U-turn.
Oh shit, popping me.
Here you are, Bass. It's all you. We're gonna be going out westbound Empire Way, left, southbound Greenwich Parkway, parallel in a parking lot.
Wayne Biggums. Oh, music's like on and on right now. Oh yeah. Let's go, chat.
We're gonna be at the
God,
airport.
Jim's
Benny's
shot.
now.
Yeah, what up, Web?
Waiting for the gate to open.
No look tap.
Right eastbound Greenwich Parkway. Going off-road here. No parking lot. Now going northbound Davis Avenue parallel. Back on road here. We're going to be going in circles, going southbound to Topia Parkway. popping U-turn now going northbound on Tokyo Parkway.
He has to be waiting for someone.
We're gonna be at Garage I here.
Definitely waiting.
It looks like he's stalling or something. I don't know what he's doing.
Yeah, firm. I was trying to take a jump.
He's literally driving in circles. I think they're stalling for another car. Passing Garage I again.
Oh, we're taking the
he's
jump?
taking the jump from earlier.
Made it.
Yep. You can pop a U-turn here.
Oh, I can't take the jump.
No, there's too much of a overhang in there.
First time I've seen that jump, my bad.
It's all good.
Yeah, some guy tried to do it yesterday.
669 back in service.
Was the white color, what is it?
BMW.
What is this guy doing? Hello, sir, what are you doing? What are you doing, sir? Hello? Do you speak
You hear
English?
me?
Yeah, I can hear you now.
Officer, you look like you
Okay,
could
I
use
bet.
Dixie.
Yeah, that was
I'm
my
good,
fault.
sir,
I was
I'm
trying to
good.
go to the gas station. My apologies.
Alright, well, yield to license sirens. Don't be Abdul.
Yeah, no one wants to be Abdul.
The car was pretty beat up, so I'm gonna make my way to the Benny's on the eastern side of True Shop.
Yeah, we'll go to the normal Benny's.
Yeah, it was a BMW something. I don't know which M it is. One of the M's.
Yep. See if it shows up for her. It's pretty beat up.
Yeah, it was in rough shape.
Benny's by tuner shops clear. I'm gonna check the actual tuner shop too. Let me try to jump one more time. I want to practice it.
Yeah, I don't know. But some guy tried it. I think it was Cheddar was trying it yesterday, and that's probably gonna be another flavor of the month jump.
And it's all about timing too.
Yeah, you got it. So it's like probably one of those jumps where you got to be at a certain speed to actually get that.
Yep,
that height. I got shown the jump into the red garage the other day.
But this jump to the garage, what is it?
I have to kind of like Is that it? No.
Oh, it's not it. No, it's not it. I just came from my mama's house.
It's coming out. Like, I just saw a car jump like an asshole. I thought it was gonna be them as well.
That would have been funny. Let me try it. You gotta show me the red brick jump afterwards.
Yeah, we'll do. You have to hit it like 60 miles an hour, and like you kind of jump through like the open, like the window area instead.
Okay, so you went like this, right? You went like.
It was yes.
No, it's not like this, right? From like
And
this.
then kind of.
Okay, more.
Oh,
Oh my
yeah, lost it.
Dear Lord.
Oh my god.
mercy.
Oh, Jesus. Can you get that out? That's wedge.
That is pretty wedge in there. I think you did the red garage. Oh yeah, I know that. Okay, never mind. Okay. Yeah, you're right. We did. Actually, I did. Get in. So can you go around in this one? Hold on. If they make the jump, can I go like? No.
I don't think it leads to the highway. It's just it goes.
Oh,
underneath
it
the
goes. I see. I see how it goes. Okay. So how do we perfect this jump?
I don't know. This jump I've just seen it tried a few times, and
I think you
each
gotta go
time it crashes.
more. Need more speed, right?
You probably got to follow the road a bit more. I'm guessing the more you're on the road, the more grip you have, and the more acceleration.
I mean, you gotta go like this, basically.
Yeah, you got kind of. And just You got proper like.
Oh,
there we go.
go.
That's
Got
pretty
it.
cool.
Okay.
If you want to take me back to MRPD, I can close the CBP and show the other one.
Oh.
Because I was like driving around with Daisy in the other county at one point, just kind of like getting the hang of the getting a feel for the CBP.
Yep.
And she showed me it.
Oh, I know the right garage jump you're talking about, where you squeeze through like a little
Yeah, that
window.
one.
So you get that bump right there, so you gotta go like this basically. Turn around and then you gotta hit it like this.
Oh, the little bump there. There we go.
Oh, I need more speed though. Fuck. Ow.
Yeah, it's all...
Ow, ow.
Oh god. Oh jeez.
Alright, now we know how to do it. I'm stuck. I get it now, chat. I get it.
What was that chase even about? I have no idea. Oh my god.
What the fuck? How do I... Okay.
What the fuck was that?
Oh, we can repair the car.
Oh no, we're gonna have to, we're gonna need another car to kind of nudge it.
Oh, I got it. Wait, hold on.
Oh, you know, hold on, I think I got it. It's gonna be some really dumb... I got it, Bass.
Alright, got me.
I think
Kevin?
I got it. Hold on, I'm above. I'm gonna see if I can, if I have to do like be on the highway or something to climb. Oh god. Never mind. I mean, I got it. Can we just get to the back?
Six knots rolling under 399.
Oh!
Over.
Copy that. Transitioning you to 399.
Copy that. I did not expect that at all.
Wait, what? What does that mean, Bass?
10-3, Conan, please.
I think I hate to say it, but we might have to start walking or... I don't know. Good Bass?
Yeah, I'm just preparing the car, bro.
Oh my god. It's a little bit powerful of you there, Bass, but okay.
Why? I was by the wall, Kevin. Shut up.
Yeah, no, you squeeze in real tight. You just have to hold your breath.
Exactly. Or if they're not fish with video, if you're just up. Alright, go back and I'll be... Drive again. There's only a few jumps in the city I can't do, and that was one of them, so... And that was my first time actually seeing it. Jumps are really difficult because the person you're chasing will slow down and not let you replicate it or, you know, near it. Because, you know, if you do, obviously, and then right behind them. So they'll try
You gotta do a bit of homework on it.
Yep.
There's a lot of jumps like there's a few jumps like that. Like I don't know half the jumps to be honest, but that's because I've never really gotten involved in that like kind of thing with like doing jumps and whatnot. I always just kind of kept doing what I do with work.
All right. Pull out your car. I'm gonna grab some food. I'll be back. You want some?
I got some. Thank you.
Hello. Conan and
That's
hey,
how's it going?
pretty good. How are you guys?
Yeah, not too bad. How's Kevin doing today?
Pretty good actually. Kevin's my son now.
I heard that. Well, Tessa said that Kevin was her brother, so I assumed that meant was
Right,
you
yeah.
adopted him.
You know,
so.
just another one in the family. That's all.
He's a good kid.
He is.
I'm so proud of him.
No, he's doing really great actually. Probably one of the best cadets
I'm
we've had
so
so far.
glad. Awesome.
Nice.
I'm so happy.
Hello.
Hey, Kevin.
Kevin.
Hey, how's it going?
You're just talking about how terrible you are.
Yep.
Yeah, no, I'm absolutely awful.
All right, see you later.